side note, this is like one of my absolute favorite cars of all time.
Hi again, everybody. This is Tom from If This Car Could Talk. We are at the winding down of the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals here in Chicago. The show has ended. People are getting ready to leave, but we caught the gentleman that restored this beautiful Mustang II right here. His name is Stark, and he's going to tell you all about this gorgeous car. Turn it over to you, Stark.
Well, we'll start out with, this is my brother's car. He used to have an orange car that I restored for him the first time around. He sold that car, and then he had seller's remorse. So anyways, between Christmas and New Year's of 2018, we went down to Columbus, Ohio, and picked up this car, used an 80-foot cable and winched it into the trailer and brought it home. And then he asked the guy at the body shop that week when he can start on the car, and he says, I can start on it next week. So I spent New Year's weekend completely dismantling this car, and then we just rebuilt everything. Every last nut and bolt has been taken off of this car. So I made a dolly for the body, and then we actually rolled it across the streets, which is convenient for us. And then I started working on everything else, the drivetrain, and ordering all the brake lines and fuel lines. And I don't know when it was when we got the body back, but then we started getting everything and started putting everything back together, and here we are with this finished car. And unfortunately he wasn't able to be here for the show, so I was representing this for him, and the car turned out beautiful, and it took a gold here this weekend, so my brother's very happy with that. So anyways, that's about all I really know about the car, except for, you know, it's as pretty underneath as it is on top, so hopefully everybody can enjoy.